Hey, I'm Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street words. Today's Wall Street word is standstill agreement. Now, this standstill agreement refers to specifically a takeover attempt. When a company is trying to acquire a public company, they acquire shares in the open market. Sometimes, as part of a settlement of a deal between the acquirer and the target company, they'll sign a standstill agreement limiting the ability of the acquirer to buy more shares. This is to prevent them from taking control. It's generally part of an agreement, sometimes green mail, which the company is paid to go away and to say, stop buying my shares, sign a standstill agreement for a certain period of time. When I bought part of SNFCA and they bought out my shares, I have had to sign several standstill agreements when I've attempted to take over companies, but as a result of me signing them, they generally bought out my shares. That's another word we can talk about later called green mail, which is another topic. Today's word, standstill agreement. Hey, do you want to learn more about Wall Street words, Wall Street terms, and things that can possibly help you make money? Click any of the cards on the screen. Always great things happening here. Please subscribe and pound that bell if you want to get alerted.